Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm gonna be watching a couple of teasers and trailers today. I'm recording a couple of teaser trailer reactions that I have missed during the festive time. So today, for this video particularly, I'm gonna be reacting to the glimpse of Khalifa, the Bloodline, of the stars Prithvi Raj, and directed by Vaishak. So I have been told that there is quite some hype for this film, and I can see it from the views because this teaser or this glimpse released a week back and it has already garnered like 6 million views. So I am very excited to see, okay, what is this about? What is this about? Now, because Vaishak is the director, I am pretty sure that it's going to be very sleek and stylish and all of those things because that's his style. So I don't want to delay this any further. Let's watch this glimpse right away.
In what seems like a plot straight out of a movie script, police and customs officials have unearthed a multi-million-dollar gold smuggling racket operating out of the Middle East. Through
Okay.
networks in London, Nepal, and Kerala. Though details remain unclear, an arrest
ഇപ്പൊ എന്തായി ഹംസേ പെട്ടല്ലോ തന്റെ ആമർ ഇനി ഈ ഇന്ത്യ മഹാരാജ്യത്തെ എവിടെ അവൻ കാലെടുത്ത് വെക്കാലും അപ്പൊക്കെ അകത്തട അതായി കോഫി പോസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കുന്നത്.
1, 2, ready for showdown!
പണിക്കർ സാറെ എങ്ങക്കറിയും ഈ നാട്ടിൽ എങ്ങനെ കൊഫെ പോസ ഉണ്ടായോ?
Okay. He's like a knight in shining armor.
അങ്ങ് വടക്ക് സുക്കൂർ നരയൻ ബാക്കിയും ഖാജി മസ്താൻ, ഇവിടെ തെക്ക് മുതലിയാരും, പിന്നെ മാമ്പറയ്ക്കൽ അമ്മദാലി.
Okay.
അന്ന് ഈ നാലാളെയും കൊണ്ട് ശരിക്കും വെള്ളം കുടിച്ചു പോയിരുന്നു മിസസ് ഗാന്ധി. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു 74 പാർലമെന്റ് കൊഫെ പോസ പാസ്സാക്കുന്നു.
Okay. Okay.
ആ പോസേമേൽ ഒരു അരമണിക്കൂർ അമ്മദാലിനെ പിടിച്ച് അകത്തിടാൻ ഓരെ കൊണ്ടായിട്ടില്ല സാറേ. ആ അമ്മദാലിന്റെ പേരക്കുട്ടിയാവാൻ ആമിർ.
Okay.
സാറൊന്ന് ശ്രമിച്ചു നോക്ക് ആമിർ അലീനെ കൂട്ടാൻ. അപ്പ കാണാം നമ്പറം പള്ളിയിലെ ഉറൂസ്.
Lion Ali. Chaman has edited this. But that's why the music sounds so good. Nemesis of the elites, huh? Okay. Go on. Khalifa. Okay. I knew this was gonna look very stylish. Autumn 2026. All right. I get the hype. I mean, come on. Look at Prithvi Raj. He just makes everything stylish. I just love him. You guys know it already. So, I mean, this was expected. The sense of styling and the way Prithvi Raj is getting presented. We saw that with Turbo also, right? With Mamuka, the way he was presented in the film. So there's no doubt in my mind that the way Prithvi Raj is going to be presented in the film. Now, what I got from the lyrics, that he's the nemesis of the elites. So is he someone like Robin Hood? That's what my guess is right now with the entire lyrics and the song that actually plays. Like, he's the lion. So clearly there's smuggling involved. There's gold involved. Clearly Prithvi Raj is a prodigy, being the grandson of one of the biggest smugglers of India, Ahmad Ali. So he's like Amir Ali. And yeah, I'm expecting a lot of action, a lot of style, a lot of sleekness from this film. Even if you listen to the music which is given by Jakes, I'm expecting extremely high octane action. And I'm expecting really fast editing. This looks to me like it's going to be really fast paced in terms of how the entire glimpse has been presented to us. Now, obviously, Vaishak's last film, Turbo, it did not live up to the expectations. So there's that slight doubt in, I'm sure, not just in my mind, but probably everybody's mind. I don't know. Okay, let me not just talk for everybody. You guys can comment your thoughts. But in my mind, definitely there's the slight itch that, okay, fine, style and all is great, but the way you present your actor is great. We all know that. But the meat of the film is definitely the content and how it's written. Well, plus, it's like too soon to even say it now, because this movie's release is quite far. It's quite far. It's only on 2026. So I'm glad that we've got this really good glimpse, because I feel that right now maybe the post-production is underway, and I don't know, you might say that no, even the schedule is not completed fully, but looking at the glimpse, it doesn't look like, okay, this is some raw footage or something that they're still working on it, because this looks pretty much like, okay, it's shot, and if you see all the color grading and the way this entire glimpse is edited out, yeah, this is a big budget film, and we're gonna see all these massive massy moments that is expected from a film like this. So yeah, I'm expecting it to be very high octane, fast paced, the music to be very sleek, great action, and all of those things and all of that jazz that we expect from a film like this. But that one thing which obviously we all want is a really good entertaining story to just keep us entertained while watching it. Like, it cannot be oh yes, it's just looks great and everything else is great, acting is great, action is great, but it doesn't fit, all of that doesn't fit together in the narrative. So that's the only thing. But I definitely want to know your thoughts, because clearly the hype is very much there for this, and Prithvi, as I just said, he just makes everything look superbly stylish. So him being in that persona, it just fits. So yeah, that was the reaction to Khalifa Glimpse, the Bloodline. I understand why it is now called, like, it's Bloodline, because Prithviraj clearly is a prodigy. So yeah, that was my reaction. Those were my thoughts. Let me know what are your thoughts. And I'm gonna sign off now, and we'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.